We looked at email marketing, and you set up your email forms on your website. By the end of this section, you will know how to write copywriting that sells using the AIDA formula. And it's really appropriate that we look at this topic at the halfway point in the course, because you're going to be using copywriting throughout many of the sections that are coming up. Also, before you start to drive traffic to your website from these search engines, YouTube, Facebook, etc., you really want to make sure that you understand how to take those readers, suspicious readers, and turn them into trusting, eager to buy customers in the blink of an eye. That is really what sales copy can do. And if you don't know how to write sales copy, then you can be really wasting a lot of your effort driving traffic over only to see them not convert. That's why it's important to really use this AIDA formula. And in this first lecture, what I want to do is just give you a brief overview of what is coming up. We're going to start with really understanding what copywriting is and why it's so important. I'm really going to show you in quite a lot of detail then how you're going to be using copywriting in each of these sections in the course. Next, after that, we'll be reminding you about really writing for your buyer persona, and you'll be dusting off your buyer personas from your marketing plan to really see how it fits in and connects with copywriting. Also, we'll refer back to our goals and also how that links into copywriting, because you want to be using copywriting to persuade people to complete those actions that you've set up in Google Analytics, and really that link back to your business goals. Next, after we lay that foundation, we really get into AIDA. This is the most powerful way to structure your sales copy to really get results. And it breaks down into 4 parts: attention, interest, desire, and action. And it all starts with attention and getting those headlines. And you learn that really those headlines